Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a gift through Amazon internationally. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing that we need to do here is go ahead and access the official website for Amazon, which is amazon.com, or access their official mobile app. In this case, I'll be showing you how to do this via PC. So the first thing we need to do here is make sure that you're currently logged in. You'll know that you're logged in if you see the Hello, Your Name account and list section at the top right here. In this case, go ahead and log in first. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Accounts section. Now what we need to do next is we need to choose our address or edit our address. So in this case, under the Your Account section, go ahead and choose the Your Addresses option. Now if you don't see the Your Addresses option here, scroll down a bit, look for Ordering and Shopping Preferences, and choose Your Addresses. In this case, click on it. Now from here, click on the Add Address option. Once you've done that, you need to fill out all the necessary details here. Go ahead and choose the appropriate country where you want to send. For example, I want to send to Australia. Just an example. But in this case, you could go ahead and choose whatever country here. Now the fields here will actually change depending on the country where you're going to send your gift through. So you need to provide a full name, phone number, address of the recipient, postcode, city, suburb, state, or territory. And if you want to make this a default address, you can enable that. You also need to choose the address type here, so go ahead and choose the appropriate one. Once you provide all the details, just click on Add Address, and once you've added that address, you can go ahead and start shopping on Amazon and choose the newly added address as the location where you want to send your Amazon purchase. So that's basically how you can send a gift through Amazon internationally. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.